Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bukola. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Today's tutorial was requested by one of my subscribers. He told me to show a tutorial on how you can check the Postepay account statement online, come guardare e scaricare il tuo estratto conto Postepay online. È molto facile ragazzi, it's so easy. All you have to do is go to posta.it website, that's poste.it. You can also do this on your phone. You just go to Google, and when you go to Google on your mobile, you turn on the desktop mode. The desktop mode on your phone, you will see like three dots like this one on the computer. You right click it and you're gonna see desktop mode. It's so easy to work with that. Okay, so I'm already logged in here, so you're gonna go ahead to log in. I'm logged in here already, so I don't have to do that again. Okay, so you're gonna log in into your Postepay account. So to log in, you click on area personale. My internet is a little bit slow today, please guys, bear with me. So I'm logged in already. So with this on this website, you can actually do a lot. You can check your Banco Posta, account if you have Banco Posta, your Postepay account, and you can also check your Poste ID. That's the Poste ID, your digital identity, So you can maybe if you want to change something, your password, or this is the Poste ID is what you actually use for your SPID. Okay, so today I will be showing you the Postepay because the person that requested was talking about Postepay. So we're gonna click on accedi to access the Postepay. Okay, so here I have my carta di debito Postepay, Postepay Evolution Business. You just go ahead to choose anyone you want to check and just click on accedi. Let me use the normal Postepay Evolution. So I'm just going to go ahead to just click on Postepay Evolution. So guys, to be able to access your internet banking or Postepay, you have to verify your identity so that other people, for security reasons, you have to verify your identity. So it's telling you to authorize with the Postepay app. So I'm going to click Prosegui. That means to do this, you should have the app already, or you can also use another means of authorization, maybe through a message on your phone. But I'll prefer the app, so I'm just going to click on Prosegui. So now it's telling me to control my smartphone. So I'm going to go ahead to authorize it on my phone. I already have a notification, so I'm going to click on my phone to authorize it. Autorizza. So now that I've authorized the access, so it's going to bring me to my Postepay account. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the saldo contabile and saldo disponibile. So just 70 cents. Okay, so here are all the details of everything. So to see all the details, all the payments that you've done with your Postepay, everything, you're just going to you can scroll through it, go to each each page. So it has all the all the information, everything about what you've used your Postepay to pay, maybe the money you've received with your Postepay, what you've paid with it. So if you want to download, if you need to download your L'ESTRATTO conto, that's your Postepay statement, so you come over here, scarica elenco sul file, seleziona formato. As you can see, guys, is downloading. Lista movimenti is downloading over here. So you can just open your file, save it on your computer, save it on your phone, and that's it, guys. This is just a simple way you can download your saldo e movimenti estratto conto, your statement, your Postepay statement online. It's so easy to do. Sometimes your website can be slow, sometimes your website can be slow, but this is just the simple way you can download it online. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao e alla prossima. Ciao ciao.